OFX was popping. So another week down, first week of April. First of all, I don't know what's going on with TradingView. I've restarted my laptop, I've refreshed it. This isn't loading. Like I can't go back, I can't choose any other time frames. So the reason why I had to upload everything this week on screenshots from my phone is because for some reason TradingView is just tripping out. So that's what's going on there. But overall for the week, man, we won 5 trades, lost 0, 84 and 7. Overall 13% gain so far for the year. We're on an 8 trade win streak. Pretty cool, pretty decent. Um, the trade results for the week were this. So the 1 to 3 was the winner, 15% gain. Second place was 1 to 1 with the stop profit, and then all of the positive risk rewards were tied for third place with 5%. And 10 and 1 was 2.5, 1.25, and then -1. So there's that. So that's the leaderboards right now for April. And then overall, the leaderboard is still 5 to 1 is in the lead. I have a pretty good feeling that it's going to get knocked off here pretty soon. Um, and then 1 to 1 stop profit is finally in profit. 1 to 3 is back in profit. I have a feeling this is also going to go back into the negative pretty soon. So those are the leaderboards right now. Now, as for the trades this week, I would go out and show you, but I really can't. So I got to do everything on the 4 hour. So what I saw is that price was trending up. We had this bearish channel that was broken out of. So price broke out of it. And then it was right here. Usually I wait for a higher low. And then so I would wait for price to maintain this and push up and go there. I just didn't. I just had a feeling this created a higher low and broke out. So I just felt like that would be enough. Same thing right here. Price was going up. We had this bearish channel broken out of. Price broke out, did create a higher low, broke out again, and then we bought, and the trade was right there. And that was the win. GCAD, same thing. A lot of channels this week. So price was going up. Bearish channel, broke out, higher low, broke out, and we got the win right there. That was that little piece that we got. And then CAD JPY was the opposite. You see prices going down. Bullish channel. We got the breakout, and then we had a big lower low or lower high. Really strong push, and then break and retest. And then that was that. That was the dub. There was also trades here, and then also trades right here, or potential trades for maybe next week right there. And then GA, I think was the last one. Price is going up. Multiple higher lows consecutively. Big level, broke out, break retest. Simple stuff, man. Nothing to it. Same thing every single week. Next week, I am thinking of adding buying off support. So if price is trending in a certain direction, right, and it's doing something like this, I am thinking of starting to add buys off of support and not just breaks or retest. I feel like I'm missing out on a lot of data and a lot of setups doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to track everything like normal, in this type of sense, but then I'm going to track both of them separately in like a completely different folder. I'm going to track all the regular trades off of regular buys and off support, sells off resistance, and then breaks and retests are going to be a separate little thing that I'm going to track and see which one performs better with which risk reward. I think a lot of the higher risk rewards might perform a little bit better with regular like that. Maybe not. Maybe not, but that's what I think. And I think I'm leaving a lot of trades off the table by not doing that at all. So, for instance, let's see, like prices trending down right here. We could have sold here multiple times. Prices trending down. We could have sold at this resistance multiple times. Things like that. You know, prices trending. Let's say prices trending up right here. Let's just say it is. I could have bought here multiple times, and then combined with these breaks and retests. So same thing right here. This initial one was a break and retest. Could have also bought there again if price is trending in that direction. These aren't trending, but just examples. So that's something new that I'm going to add next week. I'm interested to see how that shit goes. But yeah, man, that's it for the week. Real real light week, just 5 wins, and that's it, man. OFX out.